Shall we praise the Lord one more time? On the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. Teach me, Lord, how to win. You know, Job was sick so long till his flesh fell from his bone. He had sores to the crown of his head. But no matter how long it takes, Job said, I will surely wait. Teach me, Lord, how to wait. You know something? If your body's in aches and pain, and your health you can't regain, turn it over to the Lord. He will heal you, and know He will. And no matter how long it takes, God will heal you if you will. Learn how to wait. I know He will. They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. Teach me, Lord, how to wait. Just one more thing. If you're sick and you can't get well, and your doctor, you just can't tell, just turn it over to the Lord. He's gonna heal you. I know He will. And no matter how long it takes, God will heal you if you wait. Teach me, Lord, how to wait. Yes, I know He will. They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. Teach me, Lord, how to wait. Teach me, Lord, how to wait. Teach me, Lord, how to wait. Praise the Lord.